Hey guys, I'm back with some human hair that I'm super excited about because it's from our good friends over there at UNice Hair. If you look in the description box, I'll put a direct link to where you can go purchase this unit as well as all the wig details. If you are new here, please consider subscribing as I upload almost daily. If you're oldie but goodie, welcome back. I can't remember what I've ordered. All I did was take this out of its shipping packaging because y'all know I like to do everything on camera with y'all. So y'all know how I feel about the UNice boxes. I really like them. They're hard, plus they are magnetic. I really like that. Let's see what else is in here. The unit, they give some of the best like extras to go along with this wig. In this box, they have included a silk storage bag. Hold on, I gotta open this. Some press-on nails, an edge band with their branding on it, and 2 packs of wig caps. Okay, so extras that we can actually use. But y'all care more about the wig. This wig is a 7x5 bye-bye knots wig. Y'all know how I feel about those wigs. I love them. It is a Jerry curly wig and it is 20 inches long. Okay, this curl is so pretty. I love Jerry curly hair because it's easy hair. All you have to do is wet this and it looks really dope. Also, since UNice made this a bye-bye knots wig, y'all, everything has been done for you. Look how good that looks just on my hand. Very pretty. Let's look at this cap construction. All right, so you get that 7x5 parting space, which is enough parting space in my opinion. With a 13x6, 13x4, you have to do too much manipulation to it. And if you're like me, you can't comb hair, this is perfect. You also get a comb in the back with some adjustable straps and that little band of adhesion that makes the nape lay down. You also get an adjustable strap in the base of the wig, okay? It has that adhesion on it as well. I absolutely love this. What I want to do is put this on my head, wet it, give you guys that 360, and then I'll be back with my final thoughts. Be right back. Can we get it together?
I've been all in my phone, I got options, and I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. But baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. My mind, and my body. My body says my mind, and my heart. My body says I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is, but you got me going crazy. Just to do is so amazing. How long can you go, baby? At last to my body so crazy. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but can we get it together? I've been all in my phone, I got options, and I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. so amazed. How long can you go, baby? At last till my body's so crazy, baby. I'm talking crazy. I get you right in my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late.
Can we get it together?
I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you right in my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave, even though I wouldn't wanna bleed, even my heart, my mind, and my body.
Alright, y'all, I'm back with my final thoughts, and if you can't tell, I absolutely love this wig by UNice Hair. Super beginner friendly, super easy, super cute, super affordable. Everything about this wig is top notch. This might be my favorite, and y'all can look at the views to see when I got on this shirt and this background. I filmed a lot today, and 1000%, this is my most favorite human hair wig that I filmed today. The quality is nice, the density is nice, the style is nice, ease is nice, and that's every time I get a unit from UNice. So I definitely can recommend that you go and pick this one up. If you look in the description box, I'm gonna put a direct link to where you can go and get this from Amazon. Not Amazon. If you look in that description box, I'm gonna put a direct link to where you can go and purchase this unit, because I do think that this is one that you are going to love. This is one that you need. No complaints at all on this one, y'all. Talk to me in the comments and tell me what your thoughts are. Until next time, which will be very soon. Bye, guys.
Can we get it together?
I've been all in my phone.